Today we're doing a take on an East Los Angeles favorite. We're going to be doing a special quesadilla here in Vince's Kitchen. Okay, we're going to be prepping our uncured pastrami with a little bit of beef bouillon, about 2 tablespoons and 2 cups of water. Once that gets all heated up and warmed up, we're going to throw our pastrami in there, get that going. Water's coming up to a boil, so I'm going to go ahead and add our 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon to add that flavor to our uncured pastrami. Get that in there. Once that's actually rendered down and the bouillon is completely dissolved, I'll go ahead and slide our pastrami in there to just grab some of that flavor. Go ahead and slide pastrami in there and let that get all nice and cooked up. Get them all to separate. So as that's getting going, I'm going to go ahead and grate the cheese. Okay, so pastrami is all done. It takes all of about 5 minutes to get that heated up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and throw a tortilla on the pan, get that warmed up. And as we're doing that, I finished grating up some roasted garlic cheddar cheese. This is the brand. So we'll wait a few minutes to get that tortilla warmed up, and then we'll pack it and get ready to taste test. Okay, our tortilla is just about warmed up. So what I'm going to do, once again, this is my spin. Take roughly about half a tablespoon of pesto. Take some of that roasted garlic cheese. Layer that in there. Grab some of our pastrami. Get that layer in there. Oh yeah, wow. Looks amazing. There we go. A little bit more. And we're just going to fold that tortilla up in a pocket. Be careful because it is hot. Oof. A little too hot to handle. And then flip. Go ahead and press that down. Get both sides of the tortilla nice and toasted. Got some of the juices sizzling out. So we're looking for a little toast, a little crunch. You can darken it up if you'd like it a little bit more toasted. But I'll see you back here in just a second for the taste test. So here's our special quesadilla, just hot off the skillet. A little inspiration from Mario and Pico Rivera. So let's go ahead and tear into that. Oh, it's steamy. Yummy. Delicious. Oh, the steam coming up. Pastrami, you can smell the pesto. Mm. That's hot. Mm. That's burn your face off hot. Mm. But it's yummy. Oh yeah. All right. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Really appreciate you guys being here. I'll see you in a minute. Hope you enjoyed today's show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for coming to our party. Love you, mean it. Have a good one.